What's good, YouTube? It's 2K Kwame KYQUAMI, a forex trader here in Ghana. And so, if you just joined, then a quick subscription to the channel will do. Please do me a quick favor, hit the subscribe button and let's go. What you waiting for? Please subscribe, share my videos, comment. Let me know how I will feed the video to you guys. You're liking and all of that. It's because of you guys that I found interest in the first place uploading on YouTube. If it wasn't for you guys, I'll go just day my one side and Charlie do my thing. You feel me? But we are actually on a journey to $100 million. We are actually on a journey to forever successful. You feel me? So if you are finding the series interesting, let's pause a little bit, use a little moment to subscribe on the channel. You feel me? Subscribe. Do your boy a favor. Yeah, so if you've been with me all this while, then I appreciate the love. Keep sticking with me because the grind is not about to end. As well as if you are new on the channel, then you are welcome to the family. You are welcome to the family. Guys, I'm in a trade. We are actually trading on a Profem account. You feel me? We are yet to pass the challenge phase and then get to the live account. That is all what we want for ourselves right now. We are trading on phase 1. We are still on a phase 1 challenge, bro, and phase 1 is kind of like stressing us and all of that, but it's all good, bro. We're still inside. We're definitely gonna kick it. And so without wasting much of a precious time, yes, I'm gonna take you guys right inside the screens and then I'm gonna analyze the market just as we've been doing. Anytime market is about to open, just before market opens, we analyze market for you guys to know the trades or the setups you'll be looking for this week. You feel me? So currently, as I'm speaking right now, I still have a trade ongoing, but market is closed. I held a trade over the weekend, and then I think it be AUD USD. So we are having a trade on AUD USD, and we are currently in loss. But trust me, the trade, everything was in check. Everything, you know me, if everything was not checking, if everything was not taken, I wouldn't have taken it. You feel me? So yes, we are actually in the trade on AUD USD. So it is what it is. I promise you guys, we're never gonna lose the account. We are in drawdown, but we're never gonna lose it. So without wasting much of a precious time, just as I said, I'm gonna take you out inside of my screens so we go analyze the chart together. Okay guys, we are inside of my screen right now, so let me just open my chart. So when I open my chart, yes, immediately when I open the chart, it opens the AUD USD setup that we are in. Let me just explain what I saw on this particular pair that made me take the trade that we are currently have running. Sorry, yeah. So when I look at the monthly, AUD USD is giving me some sort of like, I look at market structure. I've cleaned all my drawings on this particular pair because when we were about to hit the weekend, I just got to update my chart, but I've never gone to this particular chart to analyze. That's why it's kind of blank. So when I look at it monthly, I'm the type of nigga who do price action very, very, very well. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then higher high, higher low, and then it give us a high and then a low. Bear in mind, when we are trending to the upside, we don't want to see the lows being taken, because if we see a low taken, then we can consider the trade to be a bearish trend, or the trend has been changed, or trend reversal in the back. So we then give a higher high. We broke past this particular high, and the market some way somehow is giving us market is finding interest in breaking this particular low to give us a break of the low, a breach of it to violate it. You feel me? So this is how the structure is looking right now. Yeah, man. So structure simply is bearish because we had this particular low taken. All right. So I'm just kind of brushing through. You feel me? So we quickly scale to the weekly time frame. So what is the weekly time frame also telling us? So on the weekly time frame, you can see this was our low right here. Price violated the particular low over here, and then price came back to test it, and then price came to meet this low again, because whenever you violate a low, price will be targeting the next low or the immediate low. Price came to target this particular low right here, and then broke it as well. So what do I have to do? I have to be a seller. You feel me? I have to be a seller. At this point, I don't need to be buying. The market has told me whatever it wants to tell. You feel me? So I just got to be buying. Sorry, selling. So market came back and then retested this particular place, and so this is where I was waiting patiently for market to come, and then I can just get in myself. So I'll be targeting this particular low because I've told you guys anytime we are selling, we are targeting the lows. We are targeting lows. So if I'm to be a seller on this market, then I am patiently expecting, or I'm hopefully expecting market to target this low. Market should target this low after the retest. Definitely market will pass through this low and get to the downside. So I'm targeting this low, just like that. So on a daily time frame, when I open the daily time frame, you guys would notice the break and retest that happened over here. We have to be having a valid place for sales. We can't just throw ourselves on the market like that and sell at any random place. So when market got to this particular place, we then patiently have to wait for a support zone to be turned as resistance in order to execute ourselves. So market came here, and then we actually executed the trade over here at the retest point. So let me quickly scale down to the 4 hour for you guys. So you guys will notice how all the time frames are in sync right now. Okay, so market was giving me lower highs and lower lows when it was dropping. But at the point of retest, market some way somehow changed the trend because it can't keep the lower highs and lower lows when it wants to retest. It definitely got to change it to higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. You feel me? So market did that to the retest area, and then I got the confirmation I was waiting for was to get a change of structure, because I've told you guys whenever we want to keep or we want to reverse, then we got to change a structure by breaking the highs or the lows. When we want to trade, when we want to trend to the downside, then we definitely got to break the lows, and just like that market did it. You feel me? So market broke the low and then came back to test it. So I'm patiently waiting. I'm in the sales right now, waiting for market to aim for this particular low. I'm not targeting that much. I'm just targeting like 60 pip or something. It's crazy though, because this was the guys. This be the structure: high, low, high, higher, low, lower high, and then a break of it, and then a test. It's clearly telling me that, bro, market is already done with a retest, and so if market would have to go to the upside, then it needs to get to this particular low before boom. You feel me? Just like that. So at this point, I'm not really concerned about the reversal. I'm really concerned about what the overall move is telling me. I need to be selling because there's been a break of structure or a change of structure on the 4 hour as well. So yes, I'm in sales on this particular trade. I'm in sales. This is how the position was looking. So this is, yes, a 20 pip move, 20 pip. Yes, let's say 20 pip for like a 64 pip. Yes, very solid. Now this be the trade I'm on right now. I currently have running. Let me just take you guys to the pairs we analyze. First of all, let's take USD JPY. The pair, one of the pairs you'll be targeting or you'll be looking out for this particular week. So when I look at USD JPY, let me start everything from the monthly to know Wagwan. You guys don't play with the monthly time frames and the higher time frames and the what. So when I open a monthly time frame, market is giving me, who the fuck is that? Market is giving me highs, lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then a higher low. Bro, we held this particular low. We held it. So the possibility of market reaching this particular high before even dropping is very high. At this point, we are more concerned about the market still buying to the upside to target this particular high. That is all what we want. The market is still keeping the lows. very very solid on a monthly. So all we need to do is we need to be buyers. We don't need to be sellers, we need to be buyers. So what is the weekly telling us? When I open the weekly as well, the weekly is, or the structure on the weekly is not really clear. I think the last time or the last moment we can recognize the structure on the weekly is this particular place: low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a break of it with the bar, and then market all the way to the upside. But it's not really clear that much, so we need to, when it's not really clear, we have when it's not really clear, we definitely got to scale down to the time frame way below than the weekly to know what I want. The low held on a monthly, so let's go on a weekly. Sorry, on the daily to know the structure. All right. So when we come on the structure on the daily time frame, or when we open the chart on the daily time frame, we can see how price actually broke past this particular place. This particular place is kind of like a resistance zone where price is failing to break. Price broke it. When we come on the weekly, you would see it's over here. This is the place where price was really rejecting to break with multiple wicks, and then finally it broke through. So price broke through that particular point, and then we definitely got to come back and then have a retest. You feel me? So price came back and then had the retest. And after the retest, we still couldn't break past any low. We still maintain all the lows: high, low, higher high. Sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low for the retest. You feel me? And then a high and then a low, but we still couldn't break past this low again. You feel me? So it means market is giving us multiple rejections over here, and at the same time not breaking any low, clearly telling us or clearly indicating that market wants to get to the upside. You feel me? Very simple market structure. So we then quickly go to the 4-hour to get the 4-hour also confirm to what the weekly is also saying. You feel me? Yes. So when we came on the 4-hour, guys, look at this. Sorry, a break of a low. You feel me? Lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a break of this lower high, higher high, came to retest, higher low, and even at the point of retest on the 4-hour, we are getting a double button formation, a W button formation. So all what we want right now is a break and a retest on the neckline, and then boom. Doesn't make sense, guys. This makes sense because the overall monthly is bullish. So why do we have to be selling if all the time frames are sinking as well? It is what it is. All right, so on this particular point, that's why I have my alarm set over here. I'm patiently waiting for market to break a little bit above and then come back and have the retest for me to fire the buys on USD/JPY. So be buying on USD/JPY, or you can be waiting just as I predict. You can be waiting just as I've predicted the market. You can follow it and then wait for the retest, and then boom. I wait for confirmations on other lower time frames. You feel me? But I can just put that out. Maybe I'm gonna do that another video. Now we look at the second pair. Now the second pair on our watch list is gonna be GBP card. GBP card is gonna be the second pair. On GBP card, we can see how market was giving us market structure once again: high, low. You feel me? We can consider this a low. Higher. High. What the fuck? Low, higher low, higher high, and then market in a way has broken this particular low, because this was supposed to give us a low and then a push to the upside, but market broke it. You feel me? So we are wanting sales to at least this particular point on GBP card, because this be an area of interest where price rejected multiple times over here. So we are patiently waiting for market to drop a little more or a little, you grab some more. So the monthly is already done telling us what we need to do. The weekly highs, lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, equal highs or lower high, and then a break of it. a break of it. A break of it. So all we need to be doing is we need to be sellers and be targeting the lows. You feel me? That's why I have all my lows. I have this low over here. I have this low over here. We should be targeting the lows. I quickly go to the daily time frame. And then the daily time frame is also telling me that we are bullish, but actually there is no structure on the daily time frame where we can actually have a pullback or a retest. We can consider a retest zone and then drop. So we might use this particular place. This place one came and then rejected over here, and then price again in a way rejected over here as well. So this particular point we can use it, you feel me, for the drop or for a push to the downside. And at the same time, it is a psychological level. The particular point of pullback we are expecting will be on a psychological level. All right, we quickly go to the 4-hour. The 4-hour is so special to me because I get to know the structure over there very clearly. So this is the 4-hour. We can see how the 4-hour also rejected over here. We had first rejection, second, third, and then some sort of a rejection over here to UBAB to serve as the 5th rejection. So all what we want market to do, we can't just be selling. Just as I told you guys, we need to find a reasonable place for sales or reasonable place for buys. So we got to sell from resistance zones and we got to buy from support zones. And so at this point in time, we need market to actually get to a support zone and then bleed to the downside like this. Just simple. Just simple. Just simple. Sorry, let me put just simple. It's super simple. If you guys want me to at least put a whole video on how I analyze the market like on a slow basis, then I got to do that for y'all. I'm with y'all, you feel me? Yes. So yeah, I'm patiently waiting for this market to get to this previous support to serve as a resistance zone and then a drop to the downside. You feel me? Yes. So this is on GBP card. Wait for the pullback and shoot to the downside. Mark my words. Okay, so let's go to the next pair. So this is the next, you guys. I'm really exhausted, bro. Like I'm really tired. So when we look at AUDCHF, we have to be buying on AUDCHF. We have to be buying. Market came, rejected this particular point. Market came, rejected here. Market came, rejected here. So let's look at the structure. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then at this particular point, we are over here. And we can't determine if market will keep to the upside, but at the point we can only draw that conclusion by using this particular situation, using this particular situation that happened over here. You feel me? Market rejected multiple times, and so we are expecting market to bounce to the upside from this particular place. You feel me? Yes. On the weekly time frame, you guys got to watch this particular market structure. I don't need to even say much at this point. Look at the market structure. Boom, 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 boom. To have a retest on this particular neckline on the double top, that is why I have my position drawn to this particular neckline. You feel me? So we can buy over here. It makes sense. 98 pip. Look at the structure. High, 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 low, high, 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 low, higher, high. We need to break past this particular high. Guys, at this point, I'm really tired, bro. So, this area of interest and this particular psychological level is serving as a place of reasonable buys. You feel me? I would patiently wait for market to get or to have a retest over here and then shoot to the upside on a daily time frame. And when we look at the 4 hour time frame, we can notice 4 hour give us some sort of resistance zone right here, broke past it, but never came. So at this particular point, I'm kind of like, bro, I'm kind of you know, we're just gonna be patient. We're just gonna patiently wait for market to do its thing, and then, you know, when the time is right for us to buy, we will know it. We will know it, Charlie. It's either market bounces from here, or or market drops a little bit to this particular point, and then boom to the upside on AUD CHF. So be on the lookout for a retest and then push to the upside, because everything is confirming. Everything is confirming. Everything is confirming. Okay, so let me look at AUD NZD. So with AUD NZD, with this particular pair, I'm not really interested in this. I actually analyzed it, but I'm not really interested in it because this trade actually took me out for no reason. It took me out for no reason. Over the past weeks, it took me out. I think last 2 weeks or something, we had a trade on this. But this setup actually took us out. Why is my network connection fooling or something like? Let me reload it so you get to know what I want. Am I connected at all? I'm connected, so why? Guys, so it is what it is. If the connection is not really connecting, then I think we're gonna just leave it over here, because this AUD NZD trade, I was not in the first place super interested in this particular pair. If I'll be interested in it, then I would need market to push to this particular point and then have a shoot to the upside. But it seems my connection is really fucking up, so I think I'm gonna leave you guys over here, and then we have 3 pairs analyzed. 1, 2, 3. My connection was interrupted, bro. Yeah, so guys, I just analyzed the pairs I'll be looking at to have a trade early this week, or whichever pair that gets cooked first will be taken, you feel me, and all of that. So I'm gonna leave you guys right here, bro. Like, I'm super exhausted, bro. Hit the subscribe button and let's go. Peace out.
That girl's ex, babe, you ain't never fuck with an alpha male, man. Right now I'm living in Central, dog. A 1-2 flight ain't flexing, dog. Baby, I see Gatwick Airport more than your man sees congestion charged. You get me?